In this video, we're diving into the world of U-channel. We'll explain why choosing the right U-channel matters and the key points that help you make your choice. We stock 3 different options of U-channel. We've got the small, medium and the large. All of them are manufactured from durable PVC. They have a flexible steel core and they've also got internal lips for an extra grip. Our U-channels are cut into 4-metre lengths, which is the perfect length to fit one window. However, if you are in need of more, we also have 50-metre rolls available. Starting off with our small U-channel, crafted with a 3mm aperture, making it the perfect width to fit over one bare metal edge with a snug fit. Now onto our medium U-channel, which is by far the most popular U-channel we stock. This is crafted with a 4mm aperture, allowing it to either fit over one or both layers of metal. Now onto our large U-channel, crafted with an 8mm aperture, making it perfect to fit over both layers of metal edge with a wider fit. Please see this diagram for a comparison of our U-channel options showing each of the measurements. We also stock Z-trim, a stick-on PVC seal with a 3mm thickness. This ensures a seamless look between 2 side windows. Manufactured with an ultra-high bond adhesive, allowing a secure and weather-resistant fitment. You can see how our Z-trim fits here. You can easily find out which U-channel would be the most suitable for your van by getting either a tape measure or a ruler and measuring the inside panel of your van. U-channel always comes down to personal preference, so please make sure you take your time to speak with your fitter and consider all of your options before placing an order. Thanks for watching, and now you know what U-channel would suit you best. You can pop over to vwtransporters.co.uk and place your order with us today.